So one of my key roles here at Orielton is to record the weather data, and we send that off to the Met Office, and it's also really good because we get to share it with students that are doing projects here as well. So we record things like maximum temperature, minimum temperature, wet bulb, dry bulb. We also record the ground temperature and the state of the ground, whether it's moist or often soaking wet. We do cloud cover, which today is looking less than it normally is. It's quite sunny here in Pembrokeshire today. And we also do wind speed using the Beaufort scale. So this is the Orielton Met Pen. We have lots of equipment up here. That's the Stevenson screen that houses all of our temperature equipment. We've got several rain gauges, and we use the Beaufort scale for wind speed. It also has a lovely view over to the big power stations of South Pembrokeshire. But on a lovely day, it's quite beautiful to come up here.